new bags that I just got from Amazon.
We've been there, six my regular. I'm talking six for better.
Hey vlog, I want to show you guys two bags that I recently just got from Amazon. Let me show you really quick. So first off, this gold bag. How beautiful is this bag, y'all? Like, this bag is just so perfect. It's a nice, pretty gold clutch type bag, top handle bag. I love it so much. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's so bright. And it closes like a little magnet. It's basically hard plastic. And hold on. I just ran into my shelf. And then my tripod is crooked. This is the bag. I absolutely love it. Got it from Amazon. I think it's so cute. I really love the way that this looks. I like the way that it feels. It's gonna go with so many of my outfits. But 10 out of 10. So this is another bag. There's another bag that I wanted to show you guys. This bag right here. Oh my gosh, finally got my hands on it. There was just a quick little hiccup with the bag. The part that this little piece right here came, when I opened it, it was already off, and you need that to clasp it. So I just super glued it, but if it falls off again, I'm going to return the bag and ask for a new one. But here is the bag. Aside from all of that, it is a beautiful like emerald green, greenish blue type of bag. So perfect for vacation. It has a chain that comes with it, and it's just so cute. Like, look at it. It's like that bubble bag. I think this is like a dupe for Cult Gaia, and I love it so much. It is so stinking cute. Really love this bag. I'm actually about to do a get ready with me using this bag as a prop, the main focus, and we're gonna do that right after I finish filming this. I will leave the link down to both of the bags down below. I hope that the thing doesn't pop off again. This bag comes in multiple colors. I think it's like a fuchsia, a cream. All right, so I want to share with you guys these little acrylic closet organizers that I got from Amazon. They will be linked below. I have had these for almost 6 months, and I never figure out exactly how I'm going to use it. I don't have like a shelving closet. I have like the regular bars, and these are not going to work on the bars. So I finally got the idea to use this on my shelf. You know, this shelf that I have all my perfumes and stuff stored on. I'm gonna try and use it to help organize my handbags. As you can see, I have a few handbags down here, and it's just a mess, but there's like really not a way besides these hooks that I have, like these towel holders. Besides that, there's no other way to like organize it. So I'm about to do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and clear off all the bags. Okay, so again, this is what they look like. They're just literally acrylic with a little plant clasp. I'm just gonna go ahead and them just like little dividers. Just so like innovative. Easy way to add some organization. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and place my bag, starting with my Michael Kors, and you just slide it as needed. And I think that is so freaking cool. Close that up really nice. I could even double them up by color. Let me see if that'll. You can do however which way you want. My black and gold bags. My all black. This is my Aldo bag. This thing is so loud. Rack, but I'm not sure how much I got, but Fashion Nova bag. I've had this for many years. I'm gonna go ahead and put that over here. I'm gonna let that one sit on its own. I have this Zara bag as well. Oh, I just love it. Yep, so you can get these little acrylic dividers for your closet on Amazon. Super easy, super efficient. It blends right in. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, I will link it down below.